Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get star coins. So what you are going to do is go in high scores and go on, so there's sections: movie stars, movies, rooms, looks, art books, YouTube, pets, clothes, item, background, animations. What you want to do is to go on pets. And you're gonna click on user. So, let's say, I know, let's do Miss Scandalous because she's actually my friend on here as well, on MSP. Jeez. Oh my god. Chicken with me and do your job. Who? The heck? Right. Just have to search. There. So you can go on the high school, so click on pad, but I'm going to Miss Scandal. And then you're gonna go to the room that you found. And they should have pets in their room. Just saying. Oh my god, I'm thirsty, I need a drink. So, here are the pets. So you're just gonna click on them. And you should get star coins out of them. And now star coins should poof in the air. I say yes and my body says. It takes forever for me. Okay, the star coins are coming out. And then you should just get star coins. So yeah, let's do how you get star coins. How close am I to level 14? Okay. So yeah, that's legit. All you have to do, you just I forgot what the word is called. Oh my gosh. Let's do my magazines, I'm bored. You must be like, why are you doing this? But chill. Cause I could do what I want, okay? I'm gonna do this. Don't care. Will not care. Still won't care. Have I claimed it? Excuse me, 5,000. Oh my god, guys. Look how close we are. I need 5,644 fame left. Oh my god, to level 14. Woo! So yeah, keep sending me autographs. Sorry, I just had a drink. I'm real life thirsty. Look, I'm gonna there. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!